Hi, boys and girls. This activity is called Families of Long Ago and Today. The materials you're going to need to complete this activity is this Families of Long Ago and Today worksheet, a pencil, and some crowns. If you don't have all of those supplies, go and get them right now and pause the video. Welcome back. I'm glad you have all of your supplies. So on this paper, we're going to be comparing and contrasting what families of long ago and today do. So I want you to think you just heard the story Prairie Day. And on this side of the paper, it says a family long ago. So I want you to think of something you saw in the book of what a family long ago did. I know that I saw when I was listening to the book, I saw that they were riding in a wagon pulled by something. That's how they traveled. And I saw that they went through the water instead of over the water sometimes. And that they didn't stay in a hotel when they were traveling. They stayed somewhere else. So think of one of those things or something else that was in the book. And I want you to draw a picture of what that family long ago did. And then write a sentence that matches your drawing. Pause the video while you do that. Welcome back. So you already wrote about what a family long ago did, and you have the picture here and you have your sentence. So now we're going to go to the other side of the paper. And if you drew how a family long ago traveled, what they traveled in, then you're going to compare and contrast that to what my family today does. So I want you to think about what your family does doing the same thing that the family long ago did and draw a picture of it. Is it different? Are you still doing that activity the same way as people long ago did? Or has something changed? After you get done drawing your picture, I want you to write a sentence. Go ahead and draw your picture of what your family today does that's doing the same activity as that family long ago and write your sentence. Pause the video until you get done doing that. Welcome back, boys and girls. If you still have time, I want you to go ahead and color your pictures. I cannot wait for your teachers to see how you compared and contrasted what families long ago did and your family today.